A pleasant day. I am Shara Pascotea M. De Leon, a junior student from Our Lady of Fatima University in Antipolo City. I heard that you are urgently needed for a nurse, and I am here in front of you trying to apply for the position that you need to. By the way, what is the real meaning of being a nurse? Nurses also called registered nurse. They took good care of sick and injured people. They give emotional support to the patients and their families. Nurses talk to their patients about what they feel oftentimes. Sometimes, nurses talk to their patients to evaluate things that they feel during hospitalization. And I know that I have all the aspects of being a good nurse. As a part of being a nursing student, I have been attended different trainings and different duties in different hospitals. I've been a scrub nurse and circulating nurse for the past duties I had. I know how to take good care of my patients with full of love, and as long as I can do, I will give and support their needs. Being a student, I do have also my own objective, and this is to be a highly qualified and talented operating nurse with experience of handling patients in operation, pain and museum management, immunization, as well as pre- and post-management. I am looking forward to work with you and your hospital for me to use my knowledge and experience to do the very best that I can. I am hoping for the chance that you will give me the break to prove to you that I am worthy for the position that I am applying for. Thank you so much and more power, God bless.